Hello everyone. Brabus's recent Signature Night event was a true eye-opener. This year's release of the all-new 2025 W465 is absolutely the choice for old G-Wagon modifications. I'm absolutely thrilled. With this upgrade, Brabus has not only made further advancements in power and performance, but has also showcased impressive enhancements in design and off-road capabilities. It's truly every G-Wagon fan's dream. Let's start with a quick review of the 2024 W464 kit. The luxurious feel in both the exterior and interior aspects was somewhat lacking, not quite achieving top-tier vision like Brabus. The 2025 W465 package, however, brings a whole new level of excitement. To start with, the iconic WIDESTAR wide-body kit has been redesigned with sharper lines at the front and rear, giving the entire car a more dynamic presence. Enhanced aerodynamics contribute to improved speed performance. Brabus has launched limited edition colors for the W465, including exclusive shades like SUPERBLACK, Mean Green, and Deep Blue, which add a strong sense of personalization. W465 maintains the 800 horsepower output while incorporating a mild hybrid system for better responsiveness. Official tests show that the W465 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour closer to 4 seconds. This makes it not only perfect for daily road driving, but also significantly improves its flexibility and impact in off-road performance. For off-road capability, the W465 comes equipped with lift kits and the portal axle system, which ensures the stability even in the most challenging off-road terrains. Brabus has also added lightweight carbon fiber components, further reducing weight and enhancing control, making it stable in any off-road environment. As a modding enthusiast, I'd say the 2025 W465 not only carries forward Brabus's signature hardcore performance, but also makes comprehensive upgrades in design, interior, and control. It truly achieves a perfect blend of luxury and performance, setting a new standard for G-Class modifications. So, hardcore Brabus fans, what do you think of the new 2025 Brabus W465 series? Let's chat in the comments!